찾으면
그거 아이디
그거 찾으.
떼놓을 거. Once we get acclimatized to the economy, I'll help you.
Please board only when the roll numbers are called. Passengers also require their boarding passes available for verification by cabin crew as aboard the flight. We now invite passengers traveling business class and Singapore Airlines PPS Club members to board the aircraft now. All others, please remain seated until further announcement. Thank you for flying with Singapore Airlines, and we wish all passengers a pleasant flight.
I'm dancing on Wednesday night.
Small piece of paper just drop down. This way, please. Hi. That was 47 sir. Hey, me, see you.
Board is Boeing 777 service SQ974 to Bangkok. We do sincerely apologize for this departure, as you may have been already informed. It's due to the late arrival of this aircraft from its previous service. We are, however, ready to go now. Just waiting for one more door to close. As soon as that's done, we will be on our way. The computer flight time is 2 hours to Bangkok. We expect to climb to a cruising altitude of 40,000 feet, and once up there, we expect to be clear. However, for your own safety and comfort, we advise you to have your seatbelt fastened while seated. So you are free to go about the cabin as long as the seatbelt sign is not on. And the weather forecast for Bangkok, possible rain showers. We will update you with the latest weather report just prior to the descent. And if I may take a moment to introduce you to my crew up in the flight deck. We got First Officer Sean Tan. And in the cabin, our in-flight supervisor, Mr. Eric Lee, and the rest of the crew will make sure that you're well looked after and that you have a very comfortable and enjoyable flight with us. It's a pleasure having you on board, and we thank you for having chosen Singapore Airlines for your travel.
Port to Bangkok. We are pleased to be carrying passenger of our codeshare partners. Our Christmas entertainment system is now available. For duty-free shopping, please use the sales request coupon found in the Christmas catalog located in your seat pocket. For this month, receive a free 30 ml bottle of SK2 men's facial treatment essence with every SK2 product purchase. We wish you a pleasant flight.
Welcome aboard Singapore Airlines. Your safety is of utmost importance to us.
As we prepare for departure, please take note of the safety features of our aircraft. With the infant seatbelts fastened.
In the unlikely event that cabin pressure changes, oxygen masks will automatically deploy.
advised that whenever the seatbelt sign is turned on, toilet should not be used and you must return to your seat and fasten your seatbelt. Infants have to be carried out from the bathroom and secured with infant seatbelts. If you are using a blanket, do fasten your seatbelt over your blanket. We apologize that we are unable to serve hot beverages whenever the seatbelt sign is turned on. Electronic devices may be used in flight safe mode. Thank you.
Next city, Bangkok.
Your pilot speaking. We shall be commencing our descent into Bangkok in a few minutes' time. Our estimated time of arrival into Bangkok would be at 3:25 in the afternoon. There's some time difference between Singapore and Bangkok. Current time now at our present location is 2:47 in the afternoon. We can expect spare weather to Bangkok, temperature of 29 degrees Celsius. However, on the approach, we can expect some light turbulence. So in the interest of safety, highly encouraged to be seated and have your seatbelts fastened. On behalf of Captain Nadaraja and the rest of the crew on board, we thank you for flying with Singapore Airlines, and we look forward to having you on board again very soon. Cabin crew, please prepare for arrival. Thank you.
temperature is 29 degrees Celsius, 85 degrees Fahrenheit. You may use your mobile phones and tablets now. However, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is turned on. When leaving the aircraft, please take care when opening the away compartment and check that you have not left anything behind on your seat and in your seat pocket. If you need assistance at the airport, please approach our ground staff after disembarkation. It's been our pleasure serving you on this flight. Thank you for flying Singapore Airlines, a member of Star Alliance.
Bye bye.
See you.